This is one for the dead corners. Can you pull it out? You get what I'm saying? All of it is soft close. This is pull out one. Soft close. That's also for the dead corner. It's all your chimneys. Chimneys. That's also pull out. This is a pull out rack. Oh, is that the rubber bottoms?
The rubber matching.
How much is it for a meter?
About 85 bucks per meter.
85 bucks.
Yes.
This is also pull out. Also, you guys have your own name. It's not Bloom.
No, we don't Bloom. We do elites and king stuff.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the material is
Yo, but these systems must be a lot of money, eh?
Yeah, we are looking at about 4K.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yes! Fast.
We are looking for
Yeah, you must have money for this. Designs and stuff.
Yeah, it's true.
You know, this is my first time, not basically in here, but
Is it?
you know, I get a lot of clients that want these things.
Okay.
But yo, Bloom is so expensive.
I know.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I always say no, just do everything plain.
Okay.
But now I know where I can get this thing, the systems, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, boss.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Same to you. Is it open?